Hello, 8th graders. I wanted to talk a little bit more about solving these inequalities, especially as they relate to these quadratic equations. I showed you a little bit, of course, using Desmos. I want to talk about how we can use this graphing utility that you see on screen right here. First of all, on this first problem, this 3x minus 4 is greater than 2x minus 5. Let's take a look at this here. So when I'm solving this, you can simply, you don't even really need this quadratic is what I guess I'm driving at here. If I take 2x off of both sides, that is, I've got 3x minus 4 is greater than 2x minus 5. Okay, so if I subtract 2x off of both sides of this, I'm using additive monotonicity, of course. That goes away. 3x minus 2x is simply x. And then, of course, if I add 4 to both sides, that will cancel this out, but I still have x is greater than -1. So this should be pretty simple to solve, right? Okay, let's try with the quadratics though. Here's where the graphing utility comes into play for this, so that it can help you out, help you find the solutions. Okay, so let's go ahead and take this 5x squared minus 3x minus 2. All right, and then we have that is less than x squared minus 5x minus 3. Well, I got close. I'm getting to the red stuff over here, so I'm just going to move it over. So, all right, if I could start off by taking away x squared like so. Okay, that will cancel. And I have this 4x squared, and that's fine. And let's see what else do I have here. Let's add 3x to this side. And this is what was demonstrated, of course, on the previous page. By the way, just this idea that you could solve it as something related to the identity relation. I don't quite have the identity yet. It still says 4 times x squared, but that's okay. We're going to fix that in a second. So I've got 4x squared is less than -2x minus 1. If I divide everything by 4 right now, all right, this will cancel, of course. Now I've got x squared is less than -1/2 x minus 1/4. Here's how we're going to use this. Try to remember that -1/2 x minus 1/4 right there for me, will you? Okay. So over here, we already have the graph of x squared. So all I need to do is graph -1/2 x minus 1/4. And I can type in, I know it's got to have a coordinate of 0, -1/4. And like so, I should be able to add that coordinate. There it is. And -1/2 x minus 1/4. Let's come up with, wait a second, let's do a little math over here. And again, we're kind of graphing this y equals -1/2 x minus 1/4, right? Let's see. So let's try putting a number in. For example, let's say x happened to be 4. Now wait, I don't want to use 4. My graph just had a couple of spaces. I should probably stick to something simple, like 1. Maybe -1/2 times 1 minus 1/4. And the y value is going to equal that. -1/2 times 1 is, well, it's -1/2. I'm going to re-express it though as -2/4. And, here I go. I've got -2/4 minus 1/4. That's -3/4. Okay, so 1, -3/4 should be an ordered pair on this graph. Do I have space to put it? Oh, darn, it doesn't appear that way, because if I go to graph this, 1, and then I got that -3 divided by 4. I'm going to make my ordered pair here, and I go to add it, and it doesn't like that. It doesn't see how it says it's not on the graph? Shucks. Well, wait a second. Notice you have this rebuild up here. I can change these numbers in here. I can make this, I'll just make this go down further. I'll just say, I want to stretch this graph down to -2.5, to +2.5, and now I hit the rebuild. Yeah, now I can put that ordered pair of 1, -3/4. Now it should fit. So, the only catch is, now, whoops, and it's the thing about this graph is so touchy, but I keep accidentally making a spot. Here we go. 1 comma negative 3/4. I can probably find that spot. There it is, right there. See? So I've got my line. Understand? So of course, as you can see, again, the parabola that's already there, that's the graph of x squared. And don't forget what it is you're trying to answer. You're trying to answer the question of where is x squared less than negative 1/2 x minus 1/4. And as we can see, it's nowhere. That's going to be an empty set. See? Hopefully that clears things up for you. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much and enjoy your extra long weekend. Bye-bye.